We are approaching one of the most exciting times of the year for e-commerce. Christmas is right around the corner, and if you market these products correctly, this could be the season that skyrockets your sales. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 winning products that could seriously change your life. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So starting off with the first product, which is a knee massager. Now, holidays are a time where people gather around with family and friends, often sitting down for long periods. Now, this product is perfect for anyone who suffers from knee pain, especially older adults. It's a compact, convenient way to relax and relieve joint discomfort during the busy holiday season. Now, this will be a great gift for the older generation. So now let's check out the competitor's website for this product. So this is the competitor's website. Now, this product is selling for $132, which could be quite steep. I reckon you could get away selling this for $99 in order to convert more. Now, the product page does a good job of creating a sense of urgency with a hurry up, only 8 left section. And what I like about this product is that they're offering a 90-day risk-free trial, which means if the customer doesn't fix their knee pain within 90 days, they are able to send the product back to get a full refund. Now, this is a fantastic way to get more customers to convert. Now, the website itself is amazing. It has good high quality pictures, a good amount of gifts, a fantastic review section, and overall it's a very good website which will convert a lot of customers. Now, let's have a look on AliExpress to see how much this product is going for. So on AliExpress, this same product is going for $30.84. So let's break down the numbers. The product is selling for $132. You can buy it from AliExpress for $30.84, which is a profit of $101.16. Now, if you sold just 10 units a day, that's well over $30,000 a month. This is a fantastic product to push for Christmas sales. Now, all the products I'm going over in this video are winning products. But how do I know that they are winning products? Well, I was able to check these products on other dropshipping stores, and all of them are generating well over 6 figures a year. I was able to see the back end and see exactly how much these products are making. Now, the reason I was able to do this is by using a fantastic tool called Copify. So what is Copify? Copify is an ad spy tool that allows you to spy on top dropshipping stores. It allows you to see how much money those dropshipping stores are making, which means you can replicate what's working well. Now, with Copify, you're able to identify the top dropshipping stores, the top products, and the top ads used by these dropshippers. Honestly, this tool is amazing. So let me show you how to use this tool. Now, make sure you click the link in the description to sign up. And once you signed up, this is what you will see. So this is the dashboard. Now, if we click over here where it says top products, Copify will show you the top products being sold on dropshipping stores. And not only can you search specific products, but you can sort by price, sales, revenue, traffic, and country. For example, if we select US for country, you'll see these dropshipping stores. So let's have a look at this store, which is selling this backpack. Now, this backpack is selling for $189, and you can see how good the website is. Now, if we go back to Copify and click view store, it shows you a bunch of information. You can also add other stores over here by pasting in the link. Now, for this product, it shows you their daily estimated sales, which over here is over $1,700, and their estimated monthly sales, which is over $52,000. So you can tell straight away this is a winning product that is currently doing well, and all you would need to do is replicate this and make it better. Now, if you want a more in-depth analysis of this store, just click over here where it says view analysis, and it will show you a graph each month with their estimated sales as well as their estimated traffic. Now, you can also see which markets this store is serving, the number of products they are selling, and how many orders to. Now, if you scroll down, it will show you their best sellers and ads which they are running. You can see exactly what's working well for them to generate over $50,000 a month. Not only that, but you can see where they are running their ads, as well as what apps they're using for the Shopify store. Now, if you click here, this will show you the top shops. You can filter by the different options you see here. We can even select big potential, which will show you stores that have a huge potential to do well. This tab will show you the top ads, which are again being run by the top dropshippers, so you can see what ads they're using for which products. You can also see specifics like how much they spent and how much impressions they're getting. Genuinely a game changer. Now, these are the prices if you're looking to take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out an annual plan, which is what I'm on, as you'll get a much bigger discount. So overall, guys, if you're looking to start dropshipping, or if you've even started but you're looking for that game changer product, well, make sure you sign up with Copify by clicking the link in the description, and make sure to use this code on screen for 30% off. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, the next winning product is this fluffy teddy bear hoodie. Now, this cozy hoodie is perfect for the winter season and would make an excellent gift for anyone who loves comfort, especially with Christmas coming up. It's warm, fluffy, and looks good. This would be an ideal Christmas gift for anyone, especially during this winter. So let's check out the competitor's website for this product. Now this is the website and they're selling this product for $59.95. They've got good product images, but the checkout process could be a little smoother. The design is nice, but it would benefit from adding some animations or some GIFs to make it feel a little bit more engaging. Also, they have a decent range of sizes available, but I think they could use more customer reviews to boost trust. Overall, it's a decent website, but to me, it just looks half finished. And they could easily have improved this website a lot more. Now, let's have a look at this product on AliExpress to see how much it's going for. So on AliExpress, this product is going for $8.08. So let's break down the numbers. The product is selling for $59.95. You can buy it from AliExpress for $8.08, which is a profit of $51.87. Now, if you sold 10 units a day, that's well over $15,000 a month. This is a fun, high margin product that can bring in great sales over Christmas. Now let's move on to the next winning product, which is these sock clogs. Now this is a unique and cozy footwear option that's trending right now. These are perfect for people who want the warmth of socks with the support of comfort shoes. It's a great product to sell during the colder months, especially with Christmas coming up. And this would be a great gift for Christmas for any of your loved ones. So now let's check out the competitor's website for this product. So this is their website and they're selling this product for $24.99. Now the website itself is decent, the product page itself looks good, and if we scroll down it shows TikTok reviews, some GIFs, and a few images. The website overall is good, however some of the images do look stretched, and some of the images are extremely low resolution, and this can sometimes deter customers from buying the product. Also, the reviews section could show more reviews to build more trust. Overall, the website design is decent but could be more polished. It's missing some of that wow factor that could really push it over the edge in terms of conversions. Now on AliExpress, this product is going for $8.28. So let's break down the numbers. The product is selling for $24.99. You can buy it from AliExpress for $8.28, which is a profit of $16.71. Again, if you were to sell 10 units a day, that's well over $5,000 a month. Another great product for holiday sales. Now the next product on this list is this neck pillow. This product is perfect for people who have insomnia. It aims to stop and relieve sleep apnea in minutes naturally. It prevents airways from narrowing, effective for preventing snoring and sleep apnea. It's 100% safe, natural, and non-invasive. And again, with Christmas coming up, this could be a great Christmas present for someone who struggles to sleep. So now let's check out the competitor's website for this product. So this is the website and they're selling this product for $44.95, which I think is a decent price for this. I also think the website is well designed. If we scroll down, it has a few GIFs, some high quality images, and it's very well designed. The only issue is that it could benefit from more social proof, such as customer reviews through user generated content, but overall it's a solid website for this product. Now on AliExpress, this product is going for $7.81. So let's break down the numbers. The product is selling for $44.95. You can buy it from AliExpress for $7.81, which is a profit of $37.14. Again, if you were to sell 10 units a day, that's over $11,000 a month. A great Christmas present during this holiday season. Now the final product on this list is this face tracking tripod. This product is a game changer for content creators, especially those who want to film themselves without needing someone else to hold the camera. It's perfect for people who love creating TikTok videos, YouTube content, or even just family videos during the holidays. So let's check out the competitor's website for this product. Now this is their website and this product is selling for $59.99, which personally I think is a little steep. I think maybe selling it for $39.99 or $49.99 would be much more appealing to customers. Now the website itself is terrible in my opinion. The layout is pretty basic and they don't have enough customer reviews or testimonials. It has a few images and GIFs on the side. However, it doesn't show how to use their product. And I personally think if you were to include that, it would be a huge improvement. So overall, it's a very basic website, and if you sell this product and improve on the website, you can easily make a ton of sales. Now on AliExpress, this product is going for $11.27. So let's break down the numbers. The product is selling for $59.99. You can buy it from AliExpress for $11.27, which is a profit of $48.72. So again, if you sold 10 units a day, that's over $14,000 a month. An amazing product for all the youngsters on Christmas. Now all of these products were found using Copify. So again, make sure to sign up with them by using my link in the description. And don't forget to use this code for 30% off. Now I've also made over $4,000 in only 48 hours dropshipping. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click the video you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.